Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to do a leftover acrylic paint pour here today, and a lot of times people ask me how I save my paint. I literally just take the little bit that's left in a cup and I pile it on top of another cup like this. I let it drain and I just let it sit. And I have had paint last me weeks doing that. And then once I get enough paint in my cup from all the leftover from the other paintings, I do a leftover paint pour. And it's always fun because it's different, totally different colors and paints. In here we have unicorn spit, we've got Arteza metallics, we've got all kinds of things. So you never know what you're going to get, and it's always going to be a completely random color combination. But yeah, we're going to flip cup this one, by the way. So while that's sitting here, I wanted to show you guys. This is how the unicorn spit painting dried. So we did completely lose all the red and pink. I don't know where it went. It went somewhere. And then also just an interesting note, I had sealed this twice, but it still did come through a bit. It's not an issue, and I still think it looks gorgeous. But I had sealed the canvas twice before doing the painting. But anyways, so now I do still need to apply a sealer over this. I'm going to wait a little longer to do that. And then I've got to decide which one to use. I might resin this one. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys what that looked like dry. And if you didn't see the video, I'll post the link down in the description so you can check that one out. That was an acrylic pour with unicorn spit. All right, here we go. Totally random color combination here. Whoop. Okay. I think this orange and red and stuff was from the funnel pour I did like a couple weeks ago. There we go. So these are not colors I ever would have used together, but they look awesome. Look actually really pretty together. Yeah, so let's let this sit here for a bit. We'll see anything that develops. There's some cells looking like they're thinking about coming up over there. I love this part through the middle here. Anyways, and then we will do our close-up. Okay, we're back. We actually got a little, some little cells popping up through here, and then a little bit through here. So we're going to go ahead and do our close-up. So starting on the bottom right-hand corner, got some like lace action going through there. Up here is where these little cells popped up a little bit. This is definitely my favorite part, this kind of like crazy white and blue lacing that goes down the middle here. Upper left-hand corner, and then down to the lower left-hand corner. And you can see that little sparkle from the unicorn spit. This does look like a unicorn spit on it. I think I'll call this painting unicorn spit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.